So we're going to get our water started for our spaghetti. And instead of using salt, I'm just going to use some chicken bouillon. Okay, we have our water boiling. We're going to add some spaghetti in here. And this is thin spaghetti. I like thin spaghetti because the other is just really thick. Let's try this again. Maybe a half box or so. We need a whole lot. It's just the two of us. Just a bit more. So that's my oven. It's heated at 350. Make sure your spaghetti does not stick together. So when it first begins to boil like this, you just go through and kind of shake them loose. At least that's what I do. Because if you had a first time cooking spaghetti, and we all have, if you didn't do this, they did what? They stuck together. We're going to cook these for about 7 or 8 minutes. It's been about 8-9 minutes or so. We're going to drain this and then add our other ingredients. So I have some mushrooms that I had in the fridge, and I thought, why not just add these in instead of allowing them to go to waste. We don't want to waste nothing, right? Well, as little as possible. Oops. And this is some umami seasoning. Mushroom umami seasoning. We're going to add a little bit in there. We're going to let these cook down. Whoops, sorry. And yes, I rinsed my mushrooms really well in cold water. Some people say that you don't rinse them, you just wipe them off. But no, 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 no. Not for me. I have to rinse them until I feel like they're free of dirt and grime and etc. and so on. And I'm letting these cook down in some butter and olive oil, if I didn't tell you. Just down until they're nice and tender. We're almost there. Perfect. That was only about 10 minutes or so. But that's perfect. We're going to set this aside and we're going to add the ingredients to our spaghetti. Okay? I'm going to add some butter in here. Some butter. Because butter, what makes it better? Yes, it does. Not everything, but most things. Kind of stuck together, but it's okay. It's all right. Get them to come loose with the little butter that I added. See? Everything is all right. I have some onions. And I have this cream of chicken. Where's my little spatula? There it is. Let's get it in there. Oh, shucks. That should do it. Wait. I have some diced tomatoes with green chilies, mild. Put them in there. And I drained most of the juice off. And I'm using canned chicken just because I can. I don't feel like cooking chicken. And this chicken is delicious anyways. If you never tried it, give it a try. Let's get this mixed up, okay? Add some pepper. Excuse me. Let's add these mushrooms in with all the butter and everything. Let's get it in there. Sorry that pan is in your face like that. Let's get this. I could have saved some of that pasta water in case it gets too tight. And this pot is so little, but we're going to get it done, okay? We're going to get this done. That's good. Let's add some pepper, parsley, and our cheese, okay? Parsley. And cheese. Now you can buy these bags of cheese if you didn't know it. You can buy, I think it comes 3 or 4 in a box. This creamy cheese. If not, if I didn't have it, I would use some Velveeta. But fortunately, I have it. Let's get it in here. If you make this dish, how do you make it? Let me know in the comments below. I might want to give that a try. And you probably want to give this a try too. And if you do, let me know. Oops, I hate making a mess. So yeah, we're almost there. I think we have it all mixed pretty well. I have my buttered dish. It's heavy. Yum. Tastes so good. And I have a bunch of cheese, but not grated. The only grated cheese I do have, which I'm just trying to make it easier on myself. It's mozzarella. I'm gonna put some mozzarella on top. I'll let you see in just a bit. It's gonna be delicious. Stick it to my hands. My hands are wet. Let's sprinkle a little parsley on top. We're going into the oven, which is heated. I think I already told you that. I might be repeating myself, but forgive me. 350 for about, let's try about 35 minutes. Okay? This is out of the oven after 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Your stove may cook differently. We're going to let it cool off for a bit, and we're going to give it a taste. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we have some garlic bread to go with it. Let's give it a little taste. There's that mushroom. Mmm. This is some garlic bread, some cheesy garlic bread. Mmm. Mmm. So thank you so much for watching. You stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. And remember that God loves you, and so do I. Don't forget to pray. Later.